Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I have the July Blush Box to unbox and review in this video, and I'm very excited because this month it is a MYOB box, that is make your own box, in which you can choose all the 5 products in the box out of like 33 products in choice options. They have skincare, makeup, hair care, body care and whatnot. Everything is there. I love the product choices. There are very good brands and these products were there in previous Blush boxes, so I have already used most of these products and I could choose as per their review and how they worked on me. So I was very happy with this month's edition. I anyways love BIOB and MYOB kind of boxes where I have the freedom to choose all my products. So without any further delay, let's first see what all I have chosen and then I'll show you all the choice options as well. So let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the package has reached me. So here we have our classic pink and blue color blush box, the usual one. It's nice and sturdy. Here it says their website address. So once we open, we have the products bubble wrapped. And here are all the products, so let's go through them one by one. So let me start with the makeup section. The first product I chose is by Bodycare, one of my favorite makeup brands, and this is their Ultimate Liquid Lipstick. Net volume is 3.7 ml and price is 599 rupees, best before 11/2020. So the shade I chose is Cinnamon 04. You do have 3 to 4 shade choices in this. This is how the product packaging looks like. Really nice and sturdy packaging. I do like it. It does have the shade name on the lipper as well, which is good. And the shade looks pretty nice from the packaging. This is how the applicator is. It's a flat applicator. So this is how the shade Cinnamon looks like. I really like it. It's a very nice mauvey color, kind of like a rusted plum color. I do like it a lot. It will be a perfect nude shade for darker skin tones, like medium to darker skin tones. A very nice day-to-day wear kind of shade for us. And then for fairer girls, this is going to be dark shade, but something that is wearable on daytime as well. This is definitely a day wear kind of shade, so perfect for office and college. And this I believe will suit all skin tones. This is just a single swipe and as you can see it is very pigmented, completely opaque. Color payoff is really good and it's drying slowly to completely matte finish. So this is how it looks after completely drying. It's perfect matte finish, completely matte, and I love the finish of this lipstick. It is completely a liquid lipstick, not a cream based liquid lipstick, not very creamy. It is liquidy but it has a pure matte finish because of that. And if you have dry lips, you can definitely prep your lips for this liquid lipstick. I love the color and the finish, so I'm definitely very happy with this product. The other makeup product I chose is a black kajal by the brand Glam 21 because black kajal is so basic. I do need a lot of it. I keep using it on day-to-day basis, so that's why I chose this. It's a long-lasting kajal waterproof pencil. It comes in a nice retractable packaging and it is a seal pack, the one I have received. So this is how the packaging is, basic and usual retractable packaging. So this is how a single swipe looks like. It's a bit hard, not very creamy to be honest, but the color payoff is good in a single swipe. It's not completely jet black, but it's the normal day-to-day wear kind of black. It's something that is very wearable on day-to-day basis to office and college, so I did like it. Then moving on to the skincare section. The first thing I have here is this M-Caffeine Silver Caffeine Glow Gel with Aloe Vera 25 ml. It's paraben free, cruelty free and cost is $329. Expires in 24 months from 1/2018 and here are the directions for use and ingredients. I have already used this product and I love it. This is how it looks. It has an amazing fragrance, a clear gel. So perfect for summertime when you don't want any of your moisturizers to make your skin oily. So gel based moisturizers are perfect either for daytime or nighttime. So I definitely had to get this. I love this product. It does moisturize my skin very well. It's quite hydrating. It is gel based, so it is not sticky or oily on your skin. Perfect for summertime, and it has a very nice fragrance. It does impart a bit of glow if you use it regularly, and that's why I chose that. Then another product I loved receiving in Blush Boxx earlier was this one. It is Lash Naturals Whitening Deodorant. It is actually a roll-on, and I'm thoroughly enjoying using this. It's for 225 rupees only. Best before March 2020. Here are more details about the product. I am not very sure about the whitening claims because anyways I don't have a dark underarm issue, but this has a very nice fragrance. I love the fragrance. It does hydrate my underarms, gives a bit of moisturization, and does keep it sweat free. Even though I don't have a heavy sweating problem, I do like using this. Rather than products with alcohol and deodorants which are not good for your skin, this is a very good alternative. It is natural, 100% chemical free, and it is a very good product with a very good fragrance. So I loved using this, so that's why I re-chose this when I had an option to choose. And then another product is again from Lash Naturals. This is their After Sun Detan Gel. It's hydrating and smoothing gel with mint extracts. It's a 100-gram full size. I actually chose the Lash Naturals SPF 50, but they might have gone out of stock for that, so they sent me this. But this is again a very good product. I did like using this, and since summers are still going on, I do need all of these sunscreens and After Sun Detan gels. I keep using them a lot. Price is 215 rupees. Expiry is in March 2020, and here are more details about the product. You can use it as a normal gel-based body moisturizer if you want, or for your face during evening time, like once you are back from your office or college, like afternoon or evening time, you can apply this and keep it till your night skin time routine. That is the best way to use this. So I'm definitely happy with both the Lash Natural products. So these are the 5 products I chose in my July Blush Box, but there are a lot of other options. I'm showing you all the options here. There are a lot of CTM products. There are Bodycare, Haircare, and lots of makeup products as well. In options, you have primer, lipsticks, kajals, and different shades are also there in options. So you can choose as per your liking. And the best part is all the products are full size and from really good brands. So I think this is one of the best July boxes already. Even though it's just the beginning of the month and we have not seen all the products of all different boxes, but I'm pretty sure that this is going to be one of the best affordable boxes in July because it has MYOB. When you have MYOB, you are getting products that you need and products that you would actually use, all of them, and you're getting it at such a discounted price. So it definitely makes the worth buying. You get total personalized box, which is in my opinion the best kind of box. So I'm definitely very happy with my July Blush Box. If you guys want to buy this, then all details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.